Good morning, students. Welcome to New Era Global School online teaching class. Today, we are going to see the chapter number 8, Circulatory and Excretory System. In that, we are going to learn what is blood and blood vessels. Okay. So, before entering into this topic, let us see the recap of the chapter. Okay, so what we have learned up to now? So we have learned what is the circulatory system. So in our body there are different type of systems are there. What are the different type of systems? Respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, skeletal system, muscular system and excretory system. So in this chapter we are particularly going to learn what is circulatory system and excretory system. Okay, so what happens in the circulatory system? So first we are eating our food, right? Where do the food will go? The food will go to the stomach and through small intestine and large intestines. So then what will happen? The impure blood, okay, the food they are converted into the blood. The impure blood, it will go to the heart. What the heart will do? It will purifies the impure blood to pure blood and supply to different parts of the body. So what do the circulatory system do? The circulatory system, it will circulate the blood to all parts of the body. Then what are the parts of the circulatory system? Mainly the circulatory system, it includes the heart, blood and blood vessels. Okay, so what function did the heart performs? So if you touch your chest, you can able to see some sound, right? It is called as an heartbeat. So the rhythmic movement where the heart pumps the blood to all parts of the body. Okay, then we can every time when the blood is pumping, we can able to hear the heartbeat. And then rhythmic action. What is the rhythmic action? So the continuous sound, the continuous sound of your heartbeat, it is called as a rhythmic action. So these are all the topics we have covered yesterday, right? And today we will learn about the blood and blood vessels. So if you take your page number 89, so small boxes, you can able to see the fact store and get it right. Okay, we will discuss about that. So in the facts store, there is a 2-mark question. What is the pulse? Have you ever visited to the doctor? अब सब लोग तो डॉक्टर को विजिट किया. So what the doctor will do? He will check the pulse, right? So actually what do you mean by the pulse? Pulse means how fast your heart is beating. Okay, you can tell how fast your heart is beating by feeling the rhythmic movement at certain places on your body, such as the wrist. So what the doctor will do? The doctor will check the wrist. So why he or she is checking this one? Because it tells us how fast your heart is beating. Okay, that is called as a rhythmic movement. So this rhythmic movement, it is called the pulses. So the pulse rate is measured of the rate of the heartbeat. So what is the range of the heartbeat per minute? Up to 50 to 85 beats. So for a minute, the heart will beat for 50 to 85 beats. and then get it right. A few tips to keep your heart healthy. So, what are the tips you have to do? You have to exercise regularly by walking, running, and practicing yoga. And second, eat a balanced diet. So, by means of these two ways, you can keep your heart healthy. Okay, then come to the next topic. It is called as a blood. So, what is the blood? If you have a cut or wound, a red color substance will come, correct or not, from your body. So the red color substance, it is called as a blood. Okay, so why the blood is red in color? Due to the presence of hemoglobin present on your body. Okay, so due to the presence of hemoglobin, the blood is red in color. Then the blood is a substance that is pumped by the heart through blood vessels to circulate different substance within the body. Okay, what the heart will do? The heart will pump the blood through blood vessels and circulate. Circulate means move continuously. So along with the blood, some different substance also will go to the body. तो आपके बॉडी में खून के साथ some of the substance also will enter the body. ठीक है? So what are all the substance? It include oxygen and nutrients to different parts of the body. Okay? So along with this, it also carries the carbon dioxide and other waste to those parts where they can be removed from the body. So here in the blood, they are discussing two important parts. What is the first one? So blood is a substance. Okay, it is red color. So where it is present, that is pumped by the heart. That is impure blood will go to the heart. The heart will pump the pure blood. How they are carried? By the blood vessels to circulate different substance within the body. So what are all the different substance? Namely the oxygen and nutrients to different parts of the body. And what the second function? It also carries the carbon dioxide and other waste to those parts where they can be removed from the body. Okay, these are all the two topics of blood. Okay, then we are going to learn what do you mean by the blood vessels. So in the blood we have seen how the blood is carried to different parts of the body by means of the blood vessels, right? The blood vessels, they carry the blood and they supply to different parts of the body. Now we will learn what are blood vessels. Blood vessels are thin tubes that form a network within the body to transport blood to different parts of body. Okay, how the blood vessels, they are very thin tube and they will form a network. Network means connections within the body. And what is main function? To transport the blood to different parts of the body. So here there are three type of blood vessels are there. What are they? First one, it is called arteries. Second one, they are called veins. And third one, it is called capillaries. So these three are the blood vessels that form a network within the body. Okay. First, what are arteries? Okay. What the arteries will do? So arteries, it is a type of blood vessels that carry the blood from heart. So what it will do? From the heart, it is taking the blood and giving to different parts of the body. समझ आया? So what is the blood vessel? It is a thin tube that form a network within the body to transport the blood to different parts of the body. So there are three type of blood vessels are there: arteries, veins and capillaries. What the arteries will do? They will carry the blood from the heart and supply to different parts of the body. And then next one, it is called veins. So what the veins will do? They will carry the blood from different parts of the body to the heart. ये दोनों तो उल्टा प्रोसेस है. आर्टरीज और वीन्स दोनों सेड टू बी द उल्टा प्रोसेस है. आर्टरीज क्या करता है? फ्रॉम हार्ट दे विल कैरी द ब्लड एंड सप्लाई टू डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी. वीन्स क्या करता है? इट विल कैरी द ब्लड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द बॉडी टू द हार्ट. ठीक है. एंड थर्ड वन, it is called capillaries. Okay, so what are capillaries? It also tiny blood vessels that connects the arteries to veins. ठीक है, ये दोनों को कनेक्शन देता है. capillaries will give the connections between arteries to veins. So these are all the three important parts of the blood. So today what we have discussed about the 8th chapter, circulatory and excretory system. Circulatory मतलब circulating the blood to all parts of the body. Okay, and then excretory means removing the waste from the body in the form of urine, in the form of sweat or in the form of latrine. So the removal of these things, it is called excretory system. Yesterday we have seen about the circulatory system, right? इसका main organs है 3. One is said to be the heart, second one is called as the blood, and third one is called as the blood vessels. The heart, what the heart will do? It is a muscular organ present in the left of the chest with the center. Then what the heart will do? It will convert the impure blood into the pure blood, and the pure blood, it is supplied to different parts of the body. So who will help? Blood and blood vessels. First, what is a blood? It is a substance present in a body. What it will do? Along it will carries the substance to the different part of the body, namely the oxygen and nutrients, and the unwanted carbon dioxide and sweat can be removed. So then we see about the blood vessels. So the blood vessels that form a network within the body, right? There are 3 types: arteries, veins and capillaries. First, what is an artery? So it carries the blood from the heart to different parts of the body. And what the veins will do? It will carry the blood from different parts of the body to the heart. And what do the capillaries will do? They are also a tiny blood vessels that connect the arteries to veins. So they are called capillaries. Okay, these are all the 3 important parts of the blood. So tomorrow we will discuss about our excretory system. Okay, so today's IBL questions. So write it in your fair notebook. Prepare a new notebook for PA2. Okay, so first question, what is a blood? Second, what is capillaries? Third, what are blood vessels? And then fourth, what are all the parts of the circulatory system? So these are all the 4 IBL questions. Prepare your answers in the fair notebook. Okay, we will see you tomorrow.